Hi there. My name is Emily. What's yours? Hey, Emily. Nice to meet you. I'm Alex. It's great to meet you too, Alex. So, where are you from? I'm originally from London, but I moved to New York a few years ago. How about you? I'm from Los Angeles, California. I've always loved the sunny weather here. How are you finding New York? New York is amazing. It's such a vibrant and lively city with so much to explore. The fast-paced lifestyle took some getting used to, but I've grown to love it. That sounds exciting. Have you visited any iconic landmarks in New York? Yes, I've been to the Statue of Liberty, Central Park, and Times Square. They're also impressive. What about you? Any favorite spots in Los Angeles? Definitely. I love spending time at the beach in Santa Monica and exploring the vibrant neighborhoods like Hollywood and Beverly Hills. There's always something happening there. That sounds fantastic. I've always wanted to visit Los Angeles. So, what do you do for fun in your free time? Well, I enjoy hiking in the nearby mountains, trying out new restaurants, and going to live music concerts. How about you, Alex? Any hobbies or interests? I'm really into photography. I love capturing moments and telling stories through images. I also enjoy playing soccer with friends and occasionally trying my hand at cooking. Girl, that's wonderful. Photography is such a creative outlet. Do you have a favorite subject to photograph? Boy, I'm drawn to capturing landscapes and street scenes. There's something captivating about capturing the beauty of different places and the essence of daily life. Girl, that's amazing. I'd love to see some of your photographs sometime. Maybe we can share our hobbies and interests more in the future. Absolutely, Emily. That would be great. It's refreshing to meet someone with similar interests. We should definitely keep in touch and explore more conversations. I couldn't agree more, Alex. Let's exchange contact information. It's always nice to have new friends to chat with and share experiences. Definitely. Here's my number. Feel free to reach out anytime. I'm looking forward to our future conversations, Emily. Thank you, Alex. I'll save your number. Take care, have a fantastic day. You too, Emily. Stay in touch. Have a wonderful day ahead.